Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control electronic, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, remote engine start, running boards, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.